The process of making changes to your GitHub repository. To initiate this, start by logging into your GitHub account. Once logged in, navigate to the specific repository where you intend to implement changes. In the top left corner, locate the Settings option and click on it to access your repository settings. Within the general settings, you have the flexibility to modify your repository name for better customization. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Social Preview section, allowing you to edit how your repository appears on various social media platforms. Continuing down the settings page, explore a range of options for customizing your repository. In the Features section, you can enable or disable issues, projects, and wiki based on your project's requirements. This enables you to tailor your repository to suit your collaboration and documentation preferences. It's important to exercise caution when you reach the bottom of the page, where you'll encounter settings that hold significant impact. In this section, you can either delete your repository or transfer it to another account. Before making any changes here, ensure that you fully comprehend the consequences associated with these actions. Always proceed with a clear understanding of the potential outcomes.